Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. So good news to all of you. Due to the prevailing pandemic situation, the Council of Board ICSE and ISC has decided to help you out and free you from the tension. So for the year 2021-2022, they have reduced a lot of portion which I have explained below in my video. So watch the whole video. So this is the letter from the council, that is a reduction of the syllabus, and also because of the continuing the pandemic situation and the difficulties that the students and the schools are facing to complete the syllabus. And you will have SEM 1 and SEM 2 this year. This pattern of exam is most likely for this academic year only, maybe, and the icing of the cake is the syllabus is bifurcated for the two semesters. That is, some part you have to study for semester 1 and some part you have to study for semester 2. That means the portion you will study, so based on those chapters only, questions will be asked in the respective semester exams. And here the project work that is already you have completed or initiated by the candidates in the different subjects on the topics that have been removed from the syllabus is to be accepted and marked. So you have a lottery this year. This is the information regarding the two terms. So term 1 and term 2 both will be of 40 marks each. Date of term 1 will be somewhere in November and date of term 2 will be between March and April of 2022. Mode of the exam for term 1 will be online. Mode of exam for term 2 will depend on the pandemic situation. Paper format of term 1 will be of the form of MCQs like you do in Olympiad, and paper format for term 2 will also depend on the pandemic situation. If the pandemic is still prevailing in March 2022, then it will be of MCQ form. Yes, but the term 2 depends on how the situation will be in the month of March and April in 2022. Whether it should be taken or online or offline will be decided further. But yes, the exam will be sure to be conducted, and as the board calculated that it is not preferable to give marks only on the project work, as in the academic year 2020 or 2021 most of the good students scored very less marks. So yes, exams will be conducted here, and pre-board exams, that is completely depending on the school. So this is the syllabus for maths for semester 1 and semester 2. First unit, that is commercial mathematics, 2 lessons from that. So this is complete whole 2 lessons will be coming. This algebra, linear integration, quadratic equations in one variable, ratio and proportion, factorization of polynomials, matrices and arithmetic progression from algebra, and from geometry it is similarity. And this is for the SEM 2. From algebra it is coordinate geometry, one part is in the second semester, then geometry, that whole circle part, mensuration, trigonometry, statistics and probability. These are the complete units in part 2. Now maybe if the pandemic situation will still prevail, then this may change. Okay. Now the reduced syllabus for 2021 and 2022 per lesson is, this is shares and dividend, full lesson is omitted, ratio and proportion, word problems are being omitted, arithmetic progression also word problems are omitted, then geometric progression full lesson is omitted, similarity, this 3 concept, basic proportionality theorem, area of similar triangle and maps and models, these all are omitted, locus full lesson is omitted, construction also omitted, from measurement sphere part is omitted, you have cone and cylinder that is going to come, and measure of central tendency, that is you have to find the mean by, now this year you can find by any mean, that is direct, shortcut or step deviation method. Whichever you find it convenient, you can use any method. Otherwise in the previous exams they were specifying it which method you have to use, but now in this year you can solve by any method here. So this is all about your new news of the reduced syllabus and bifurcation of the exams and the syllabus. So that's all for now. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Get the Math.